Welcome back. In the previous session, we discussed about modulus of the counter. So in this session, I would like to discuss about state diagram of the counter. State diagram is nothing but the sequence of steps through which the counter advances when it's clocked. So whenever we are triggering the clock pulses, so it is going to the next state. Suppose here, this is the diagram mentioned for 3-bit counter. 3-bit counter. So initially we have a state of 000. Whenever we clock, then it will go to the next state of 001. That means suppose if I take it as a state 0, then it is state 1, state 2, state 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 8 states are there from S0 to S7. So in this way, you can say from initial state is 000, the next state is 001. Then if you go in this direction, it is like a up counter. Or otherwise, if the initial state is 000, the next state is 111, then it is known as a down count. And if you take 3-bit up counter, the maximum count we can say it is 2 power n minus 1. If it is n is equal to 3, now it is 2 cube minus 1, it is 7. So this is the 7 states we can see when you are using 3-bit counter. So this state diagram is very, very important while you are discussing about synchronous counters. So in the next class, we will start discussing on synchronous counter. Thank you.